What's up, friends? We're back today. So we're not doing a game trailer today. At least I don't think it's a game trailer. Um, it's called Microsoft Mesh. So I actually missed this yesterday, and normally I try to react to stuff within a day, but I didn't know this existed. I think it's just some kind of technology or something like that. I don't know much about it. I just know it's getting a little bit of interest. So I thought I'd give a reaction to it. Again, I apologize. It's a little late, but let's check it out.
Connection is a spark that gives our lives meaning.
It's like a cybernetic
It
hand.
drives us to seek out others who feel the same way.
Okay, why don't you input the data and we'll take a look together.
What the heck?
Hey Mari, what you got for me?
To find those who share our views, yet offer different perspectives.
Is this supposed to be like the next version of like the Google Lens or whatever?
Look over here.
Challenge us with new ways of seeing.
But I think we should.
Deepen our understanding.
Interesting.
And enrich our lives.
It's supposed to be like a hollow.
Great things happen when we commit to something bigger than ourselves.
Take a closer look at it.
Mainstream hologram. It definitely reminds me a lot of the Lens.
Let's see how we go from there, okay?
This sense of collaboration and the feelings of connection it brings excites us.
Hey, just in time.
I'm gonna move it slightly, okay?
It's yours, take it.
Interesting.
We have two planes right now on the same trajectory.
As we put people first, technology fades into the background and feels like anything but.
What?
What do you think?
I think we had 330, 10, 2800.
Why is that one person like it?
This changes the way we see the world.
Like one person looks kind of realistic, and the other person looks very intro model.
Promise in the possibilities, and what we see and create next will stretch the imagination.
Good morning, Sarah.
Morning.
Slowly coming towards the thumb.
A world without boundaries.
Good job. A lot better than yesterday.
Yeah.
Excellent. Slowly bring
A
the arm
world
down.
where technology enhances, not limits, humanity.
Yeah.
With people front.
How much is
center,
this gonna cost
and the
though?
spotlight. The future is here. And here can be anywhere. Introducing Microsoft Mesh.
Okay. So,
Changes the way we see the world.
all right. First things first. The camera went a little funky there for a sec. So first things first, the technology looks cool, but it just reminds me so much of like the HoloLens or whatever it was that came out like a little while ago, where it's like, yeah, okay, you can use models in VR, but I haven't like seen or heard of anyone using that on a regular basis. Like I know AR, like augmented reality, is getting a little bit of footing, especially in like games like Pokemon Go was big, stuff like that. I know AR stuff can be useful for like serious games, so like job training and stuff like that. I'm just curious how much of this is actually realistic to what it looks like now versus like an artist's mock-up of how it could look, and that's something that concerns me, is because the technology is super cool, like the ability to like move holographic stuff around. It's very like Tony Stark-ish. But yeah, it looks cool, but I think I would have to see it in a more practical application, like an actual like hands-on, or like this is what people are actually saying, as opposed to like an artist rendering of how it could look, right? It's the same with watching a video game trailer versus actual gameplay, right? There can be a lot of differences. But overall, I'm always encouraged when I see technologies and stuff like this, because I love the idea of it, and especially if like stuff like this can become mainstream and you can actually collaborate with teams like in real time shared spaces. That's super cool for businesses going forward, especially in a time of pandemics and stuff like that. It can be super awesome. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you think it seems a little too good to be true, or do you think this is accurate to how it will really look? And what would you want to use this for? What do you think it would be a fun thing or a good thing to use it for? Let me know in the comments. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Again, I apologize. I was a little slow on this one. It doesn't come up in my normal like search for game trailers and stuff, obviously, but I still think it's relevant enough and interesting enough that I want to take a look at it. But as always, thanks for stopping by, and peace.